All right, so today we're going to try out Nexcare's. So Nexcare's Liquid Bandage. It's just one that I picked up at Walgreens, so it's someplace that you can pick it up easily, something that you can utilize, you know, if you're in a bind, is kind of way I'm going into it looking at this. So let's go ahead and get our Omnipod on and see how the product will work. So, based on the back of this, it says, hold the bottle of Nexcare No Skin Liquid Bandage Spray 1 inch. And this is really towards a wound, so it's going to be a little bit different, but I'm going to treat this as though the back of the Omnipod, so you can see me kind of spray it there to make it sticky. And then I'm going to go ahead and place it on my arm. So it does say that it takes, So when reading the instructions, it does say allow to dry for 30 seconds. So I really want to see, you know, what I may also do is I'm gonna spray it on the top as well. We'll see if that secures the liquid bandage, and we'll go ahead and get the Omnipod started here. All right, I can already kind of see it lifting up just a little bit, so this will be a bit of an adventure. All right, so come on back for the 24-hour review of the Nexcare Liquid Bandage. Hi all, welcome to the 24-hour review of the Nexcare Liquid Bandage. In the last 24 hours, I've been out for a 30-minute bike ride, as well as taking a really hot shower. So let's go ahead and see how it's working. I do notice that it is lifting up a little bit along the edges there, and that may be because of me. Yesterday, what I should have done in retrospect is just put the Omnipod on and then sprayed the Nexcare over the top of it so that it would form that liquid adhesive, because the directions kind of talk about how it's really, you know, meant for helping to, you know, bring cuts and things like that together. So yes, it is lifting up a little bit. If that does cause to be a continued problem, I may consider redoing some more with the Nexcare, or adding another adhesive so that, you know, it'll stay on. All right, so thanks for watching the 24-hour review of the Nexcare Liquid Bandage. Hey y'all, this is the 48-hour review of the Nexcare No Sting Liquid Bandage Spray. All right, so in the last 24 hours, I've been out for a 4-mile run at about a 9:15 pace, 9:15 pace, and I've taken a really hot shower. Additionally, I noticed last night that the Nexcare was starting to peel up, so I did apply some more onto my Omnipod last night. And kind of looking back at the directions, what it says on there is basically you spray it on top and you let it sit for a while, and it will naturally dissolve. So meaning that it will naturally peel away. So let's take a look at how it's doing now and see if we need to add a little bit more. All right, it is definitely peeling up along the bottom there. Hopefully I got a really good view for you in that process. What I'm gonna do as we're here, this has a really awful smell. I just wanted to give you that heads up as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and do another spray around the top side of it. And what it says on there is to, you know, let it dry. It takes about 30 seconds. So we'll go ahead and we'll kind of leave it on there again and see how it goes. And we'll be back for the, 72-hour review in 24 hours. Hey y'all, so this is the 72-hour review for the Nexcare Liquid Bandage. In the last 24 hours, it was a rest day. I am training for a half, so today was a rest day. I did take a really hot shower, so let's go ahead and kind of take a look at what's going on. You can see here there are two spots where it's really lifting up along the sides. As I mentioned yesterday, I think overall with this product, it should be as a last resort. It should be one of those things that, hey, you may need it when you're out and doing something and something happens with your pod. I've found that I've had to respray several times onto the product so that it would stay on. As you can see today, there is still a lot of lifting and a lot of, kind of coming off. Also, ultimately the smell with the spray when you put it on, not, if I had smell-o-vision for y'all right now, you'd be like, wow. But anyway, so overall my initial, I just say, the Nexcare Liquid Bandage. If you're in a bind, okay, great. If you have other options, definitely go with those first. So again,